With the advent of ChatGPT, interest in generative AI technology is high. Generative AI tools used previously trained neural network models to create entirely new content when a user requests something. Generative AI technology is a technology that generates data in various formats such as text, image, audio, and video. Generative AI technology is still in its infancy, but it is already deeply permeating our daily lives. It is an ideal tool for arts, music, and literature activities that require creativity. However, with the development of generative artificial intelligence tools, AI-generated content on the Internet is exploding. This could cause serious problems for generative artificial intelligence models that trained with content published on the Internet. The amount of content these models generate could in the future exceed the amount of human-created content as it accumulates on the Internet over time. If this happens, the performance of the next generation AI models that have no choice but to use text and images on the Internet as training data may suffer from model collapse, which results in more errors in the content. As Internet and investment in artificial intelligence expands, the issue of synthetic data, on which the future of generative artificial intelligence depends, is emerging. Synthetic data is not real data, but data that is generated from real data and has the same statistical properties as real data. Synthetic data has raised expectations as an alternative that can generate high-quality pictures and sentences by bypassing problems such as personal information and data bias. But because of that synthetic data, generative AI is faced with the challenges of hallucinations and model collapse. Synthetic data refers to information created in a digital environment, such as a computer simulation, rather than collected in a real environment. Although it is artificially created information, it reflects real data mathematically and statistically. It is much more economical than collecting and processing actual data, and there is no concern about leakage of personal information or invasion of privacy. In recent years, artificial intelligence has been actively used to produce high-quality synthetic data. Financial institutions and retailers use synthetic data to simulate customer behavior, lending decisions, fraud prevention, and market analysis. However, there are concerns that excessive learning of results of generative AI could lead to a phenomenon close to inbreeding, which could lead to the collapse of AI. AI learning requires massive amounts of data. However, obtaining appropriate data is difficult and costly. High-quality data is scarce and, like medical or personal information access, is limited and subject to regulation. It can also have bias. In 2022, MIT Technology Review selected synthetic data as one of the top 10 technologies of the future. Gartner, market research firm, released a report saying by 2030 there will be more synthetic data than real data in various artificial intelligence models. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said at an event in London in May that he was sure that soon all data will be synthetic data. Synthetic data is highlighted as a tool to overcome the limitation and bias issues of real data, but it has significant problems that can lead to the collapse of AI models themselves. Professor Lilia Shumilov of Cambridge University and others warned of this danger in paper titled "The Curse of Recursion," posted on the DIT's publishing site Archive on June 12, local time. Researchers trained -125 meters an AI model developed by Meta AI with AI-generated content. In this process, as a result of calculating the probability distribution of text and images generation results, it was revealed that a phenomenon of model collapse appeared. Professor Schmiller explained that the reason for the phenomenon of model collapse in this regard is that the AI model accepts the dominant data among the original data during the learning process and does not use partial data. The gradual distortion and loss of minority data characteristics are eventually the result of data contamination, which leads to collapse by causing the model to have a false perception of reality.